DJI spent years being accused of spying. Now an independent US security firm spent months investigating DJI drones. Here is what they found out. So before we get into the report itself, let's quickly talk about why this matters. DJI is by far the largest drone manufacturer in the whole world, but for years the company has faced criticism from some US politicians and government agencies. The concern has been that DJI products could potentially collect sensitive information and that user data might somehow be accessible to the Chinese government. These concerns have led to restrictions on DJI drones in certain government operations and have even sparked discussions about broader bans on DJI products in the United States. DJI has consistently denied these accusations, but until now, the debate has largely been driven by claims and counterclaims. That's what makes this new security report so interesting. Now DJI has responded with something that many people have been asking for: an independent cybersecurity assessment. According to DJI, an independent US cybersecurity company called On Defense spent several months analyzing both the DJI R3S and the DJI Mavic 4E. And the goal was simple: find out whether these drones contain hidden backdoors, unauthorized data transfers, or other serious security vulnerabilities. And according to the published report, the investigators did not find evidence supporting many of the claims that have followed DJI for years. The report states that no hidden mechanisms were discovered that secretly transmit user data. Investigators also reported that they did not find evidence of unauthorized communication with servers in China. In addition, they reportedly found no critical vulnerabilities that would allow remote compromise of the tested systems. The company also reported that they found no practical way to remotely take control of the aircraft and no evidence that the drones could be weaponized through cyber attacks. Now, before anyone declares the debate completely over, it's important to understand what this report does and does not mean. The report only covers the products that were tested. It also doesn't automatically change the opinion of regulators or government agencies that have raised concerns about DJI in the past. And perhaps most importantly, the political discussion around DJI was never based entirely on technical evidence alone. Even if a security assessment finds no critical vulnerabilities, governments may still choose to restrict products based on broader national security concerns. That's why this report is unlikely to instantly end the controversy. However, it does provide DJI with something valuable: an independent technical assessment from a US cybersecurity company that appears to contradict many of the claims frequently made against the company. Whether regulators will consider these findings remains to be seen. But it's certainly another interesting chapter in the ongoing debate surrounding DJI and drone security. For DJI users, the report will likely be seen as a positive news. For DJI critics, it probably won't change much. And for regulators, the discussion is almost certainly far from over. So well, my takeaway is simple. If the findings of this report are accurate, it's difficult to argue that these particular DJI drones contain the kind of hidden security threats that many people have been talking about for years. At the same time, one report is unlikely to settle a debate that has become as much political as technical. But regardless of where you stand, this is probably one of the most important DJI-related news stories we've seen in quite some time. Let me know down in the comments what you think about the situation. Do you believe this report changes anything, or do you think the debate around DJI and security will continue regardless? If you enjoyed this quick drone news update, smash that like button and subscribe for more drone content. But that's enough YouTube for today. Go grab your own drone, get outside and enjoy some flying. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day. See you. Bye bye.